At InSite, we have built a sustainability software, a platform that helps you with your decarbonization goal tracking. Essentially, what we are trying to make sure is to help all your sustainability leaders in terms of tracking your performance and, more importantly, achieving your decarbonization goals. Let me quickly walk you through a few of those dashboards over here. Out here, we have a bunch of dashboards going across energy to carbon, water, waste, trying to understand the invoice navigator and ingesting all the bills, where you can just click on a particular link that gets you to each and every invoice across all the facilities within your portfolio. We also have some data quality reports, a budgeting tool, and a goal in progress dashboard, which helps you track your goals across the board. Let's quickly go over energy dashboard over here. Out here, we have a whole overview of portfolio, wherein you can see your trends in terms of previous year versus current year consumption, trying to understand month over month, how did your portfolio fare in terms of energy consumption. More importantly, you can always slice and dice the data over here on a facility level, just to understand how each facility is performing for each utility in terms of your consumption, and is that property on track to achieve your decarbonization goal. Moving forward, now that we already have your energy data, we are trying to convert it into your GHG emissions calculation. And this is a quick dashboard for carbon, which helps you understand what is the emission, what is your pain point, where exactly do you have most of your emissions within your building operations, and how exactly could you tackle any of those particular utility to make sure you achieve your goals. Next up, we spoke a little bit about goals earlier. We have a good tracker out here for each of your utility, all the way from energy, waste, water, to understand if your property or the portfolio is achieving the goal, how far is it from your goal, and more importantly, what is required to make sure you achieve the goals that you have decided. Here's a quick invoice navigator dashboard. Essentially, what you can do over here is just ingest all the data like in a ledger for each property for different utilities. And we also have a quick link at the far end of this dashboard, where you can quickly go over each and every invoice on a monthly basis for all the utilities, just to make sure you are on track in terms of your consumption numbers. You are able to have a good visibility not only to the numbers that we provide, but also to your bills at the same time. Last but not the least, data quality check over here. Out here, we have an amazing dashboard that makes sure we are always on top of your invoices. We want to make sure we check not only for the data gaps and data overlaps, but more importantly, if there are any double billing from the utility, we try to make sure we get that back to you so that you can get some credit and you do not overpay for your utility bills. Apart from all the dashboards that we went over, we have a few more, something like budget or financial dashboard, where essentially we make sure not only your decarbonization goals, but also goals in terms of your operating costs are managed and maintained. All those things are being managed by our analysts and experts on the team, who helps you not only with the software, but also with their expert advisors. They help you to make sure you are on your track to get the goals. What our clients also love about InSite is we are not only a software company, but we also provide an expert opinion based on how you are consuming your energy, what are your operating costs, and how can we make you efficient in terms of not only building operations, but also in terms of strategizing your goals for decarbonization.